Ever feel like store-bought facial cleansers dry out your skin or just don't work? What if you could make your own filled with skin-loving ingredients that is gentle on the skin right at home? Today I'm teaching you how to make a solid facial cleanser that is not only gentle on the skin but has a beautiful foamy lather. And the best part is you don't need a complicated list of ingredients. We are walking through this process step by step in this video, but if you'd like an exact recipe, check out my cheat sheet that I have linked in the description box below. Before we get started, let's go through the key ingredients you need to make your cleanser effective. First, we have cetyl alcohol and mango butter. These create that smooth, silky texture while helping cleanse without stripping your skin. Next, the SCI powder and SLSA powder. These are surfactants that provide a rich, foamy lather while staying super gentle. And for luxurious bubbles, we're adding Foam Boost, or cocamidol propylbutane, because who doesn't love a good lather? Of course, you'll want to add some skin-loving essential oils like rose geranium and frankincense. I have more essential oil suggestions linked in the cheat sheet. The essential oils will add more benefits to your skin and offer a wonderful aroma. And finally, GeoGuard ECT, a natural preservative that ensures your facial cleanser stays fresh and effective. Let's get started. First, we're gonna melt our base ingredients, cetyl alcohol and mango butter, over a medium-low heat. This takes about 10 minutes, so stir occasionally as it melts. Now comes the fun part, the foamy surfactants. Slowly add the SCI powder, SLSA powder, and Foam Boost. It's best to wear a mask while adding these ingredients because they are fine powders that easily go airborne. If you breathe them in, you will probably cough or sneeze. But once they are combined with a liquid, like in this step, they are unlikely to become airborne. These powders won't melt, but they'll soften into a Play-Doh-like consistency with our melted base. Once you've reached the right consistency, remove it from the heat, and we'll add our essential oils and preservative. And now we're ready to mold. Scoop your mixture into the molds and press it firmly in. Let these sit for at least 24 hours until they fully harden. Once they're set, they'll be solid, smooth, and ready to use. To use, just wet your face, lather the bar with your hands or a washcloth, then gently massage on your skin before rinsing. See that lather? That's why this formula is so luxurious. Want the exact step-by-step recipe? Check out my cheat sheet below, our ultimate DIY skincare cheat sheet. And it's free. It has everything you need, including ingredient measurements, plus tips on how to customize this recipe for your skin type. If you love making DIY recipes, check out Simply Earth's recipe box, where you can learn how to make new recipes every month. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments what your go-to skincare ingredient is. Stay tuned for more videos right after this.